Hey guys, welcome back to Priya's Hacks. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you this wedding guest makeup look. If you are interested to know how I created this glam makeup look, then please keep on watching. But before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, welcome to Priya's Hacks. Here we talk about makeup, beauty, skincare, home remedies and healthcare. If you are interested in that stuff, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also activate the bell icon that is next to the subscribe button so that whenever I upload a video, you get the notification. So yes, let's start the video. Okay, so first things first, let's start with moisturizing. To moisturize my face, I'm using the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cannabis and Oat Dry Oil. Also, it is very important to moisturize my lips, so I'm using a lip balm. Let's move on to primer. To prime my face, I'm using the Nykaa Prep and Prime primer. This is silicone based primer, so it will fill in the large pores and also it will ensure that our foundation will glide on smoothly. I know my skin is looking a lot bad right now. That's because the medications that I've been taking for my fibromyalgia. So yes, after applying primer, I'll wait for a couple of minutes and then we'll move on to foundation. Alright, so moving on to foundation. For today's foundation, I'm trying something new. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. I tried to match this foundation online and this shade has a lot of peachy tones to it and I'm so scared that it might not be a right shade for me. So let's see. Okay, so after blending, I think it looks okay, it looks good. I think this is medium to full coverage foundation because I have applied a little bit of foundation and it gave me quite good coverage. So yeah, I'll give my foundation couple of minutes to settle down. Meanwhile, I'll do my eye makeup. But I have to tell you guys, I'm loving this foundation. The coverage is pretty good and the finishing is awesome. This foundation is so beautiful. The finishing, the coverage, everything is so beautiful. I'm in love with this foundation. I'm totally in love with this foundation. Moving on to eye makeup, the first step is filling in my eyebrows. So to fill my eyebrows, I'm using the Wet n Wild eyebrow kit. First I'll use this lighter shade to fill in starting part of my eyebrow and then I'll use this darker shade to fill in rest of my eyebrow. To clean my eyebrows and also to prime my eyelids, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm in the shade Light 2.8. I'm trying this concealer for the first time and I must tell you this is pretty good concealer. So the palette today I'm using is the Anastasia Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. The products that I have been using are not new in the market but they are new to me. So far I'm liking the products that I used. To set the concealer on my eyelids, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is in the shade Light. First I'm starting off with burnt orange and sienna. I'm mixing these two colors and I'm going to apply it in my outer corner and inner corners. After that, on a different brush, I'm taking this dark brown color which is called as Cypress Amber. And I'm more precisely concentrating on the outer V and also I'm going to apply the same color in the inner V as well or inner corner. First I'm diffusing the color and then I'm going to connect the inner corner and the outer corner through the crease. blend everything even further, I am again taking these burnt orange and sienna colors, and I'm gonna blend everything once again. Now I'm taking this shimmery golden color, which is called as bronze, and I'm applying it right in the middle of my eyelid. Oh, this is so pigmented. To diffuse these edges, I'm taking the shade Sienna and I'm slightly blending it. So I'll complete my other eye off camera and I'll be back. Let's move on to concealing and highlighting. I'm using the same NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm setting concealer using the same Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I'm not setting my entire face, I'm just setting the places where I've applied the concealer. Moving on to eyeliner, today I'm using the Wet n Wild Felt Tip eyeliner. That eyeliner is not working, so I'm gonna switch to Maybelline Colossal eyeliner. Moving on to mascara, today I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, but before that I have my eyelashes. I'll apply some falsies off camera and I'll be back. To smoke out my lower lash line, I'm mixing the shades Sienna and Cypress Amber. Also, I'm taking the Plum Nature Studio Kajal to smoke out my upper waterline. Moving on to bronzing and contouring. For that, I'm using the Bahama Mama bronzer. So next for blush, I'm going with the Flower Beauty Flower Pots blush. This is in the shade Peach Primrose. Before moving on to the highlighter, I'm going to spritz my face with a makeup setting spray. I'm going in with the Ofra Makeup Fixer. So for highlighter, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter. This highlighter is very pigmented and it is like in your face highlighter. So I'm going to use very little amount of the highlighter. Also, I am using the same highlighter to highlight my inner corners. So what I'm going to do is, I am taking the same highlighter and I'm going to apply on my eyelids. Finally, for lips, I am using the Physicians Formula Healthy Lip in the shade Tulip Treatment. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you like this makeup tutorial. If you do, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video.